Hi, Andy here, the author of the Make Each Click Count book series and host of the Make Each Click Count podcast. Today's AMA question is a good one, and it comes straight from a subscriber who asked, Andy, what do Amazon's new customer engagement tools mean for my ad funnel? Well, if Amazon were a magician, these tools would be that moment when they finally let you peek behind the curtain. So yes, be excited, cautiously, strategically, and profitably excited. Let's dive into it. What are these new engagement tools anyway? For those who haven't been glued to their Seller Central dashboard, Amazon recently rolled out several updates to their customer engagement suite, including tailored audiences, beta for many sellers, Amazon brand, tailored promotions, email campaign manager upgrades, improved audience segmentation for repeat, high spend, and recent customers. Now, historically, Amazon has guarded customer data like it was the nuclear codes. But these tools, they're a baby step toward giving brands actual direct communication capabilities with their past buyers. That's huge. And I don't say huge lightly. I mean huge in a this could redefine your ad strategy kind of way. Why should you care? Let's go back to basics. Your ad funnel, especially on Amazon, is typically 1. Awareness, sponsored display, off Amazon traffic, DSP. 2. Consideration, sponsored product ads, sponsored brands. 3. Conversion, product listing optimization plus checkout. 4. Loyalty, which until now was kind of weak on Amazon. What these new tools do is let you finally build repeat business and loyalty without sending shoppers off Amazon. You can now email customers directly who've bought from you, segment them based on behavior, create promotions just for high-value repeat buyers, encourage product reviews, cross-sells, and subscribe and save. Let me repeat. You can email Amazon customers without needing their email address. That's the e-commerce equivalent of finding out your favorite pizza joint now delivers and brings beer. How does this impact your ad funnel? Great question. Let's break it down like it's one of my PPC audits. 1. Shortens your sales cycle. With tailored audiences, you can target recent buyers or repeat customers with a follow-up product immediately. This means fewer cold starts, fewer wasted ad impressions, and more cost-effective sponsored product campaigns. You're not just throwing ads into the void, you're retargeting people who've already raised their hands. 2. Lowers your ACoS. If you've read my Make Each Click Count books, and if you haven't, why not? You know I preach one thing: profitable growth. Using Amazon's engagement tools to nurture your customers reduces the need for expensive cold traffic campaigns. You can shift more budget to high ROAS retargeting and brand campaigns. That's like going from fishing with dynamite to fishing with a laser-guided spear. 3. Increases customer LTV. Lifetime value used to be hard to calculate on Amazon. Now, with the ability to segment and directly engage customers, you can actually build relationships. Want to push a new product? Offer a brand loyalty discount to previous buyers. Want more reviews? Send a follow-up email with a thank you message and ask. This is brand building, folks, on a platform that has traditionally resisted giving you branding power. Pro tips from the trenches. I've been testing these tools with a few clients. Here's what's working right now. Use high-spend customers to cross-sell premium products. If someone dropped $150 on your brand, they're not likely to flinch at $40 more. Use recent customers for review follow-ups. Engagement is highest within 7 days of purchase. Don't over-email. This isn't your mom's MailChimp list. Amazon still controls deliverability, and trust me, if you abuse it, they'll ghost you faster than a bad first date. A /B test subject lines. The email campaign manager now gives open rate metrics. That's a goldmine. So, should you use these tools? In short, yes. And here's my classic Andy caveat. Only if you're willing to put the time in to segment properly and test your messaging. This isn't about blasting out buy now emails. It's about enhancing customer experience, increasing brand affinity, and improving the back end of your ad funnel. If you're still only thinking about front-end sponsored product clicks, you're missing out on where real profitability lies. Final thought. Think funnel, not just ads. Amazon is giving us the first real tools to retain customers. If you use these wisely, your ad funnel won't just acquire customers, it'll keep them. That means more repeat business, lower ad costs over time, and a real chance to build a recognizable brand inside Amazon's walled garden. And hey, if you're doing this right, Your competitors are going to be wondering how your ACoS keeps dropping while your sales go up. That's the magic of engagement, folks. If you have a question on online advertising or need more tips on e-commerce marketing, let me know on my YouTube channel, within the Make Each Click Count Facebook group, or send me an IM or email at info@makeeachclickcount.com. And I'd love to help. And until next time, happy marketing.